Bilbo. Go.
Michael.
Who was that?
It's me, Gandalf. I'm up here on your shelf. Remember, you placed me here yourself.
Am I dreaming?
Of course you're dreaming. I'm a plastic miniature. What are you going to do with dear Bilbo and the creature Gollum?
Well, I was planning on building a really cool diorama from The Hobbit. One of my favorite scenes. I got it all in my mind. It's going to be really cool.
Yes, I know. But I thought you said you were going to finish your bookshelves before you started any hobby projects in your new office.
Yeah, I know. It's just that, well, building shelves are boring and dioramas are fun. It's a cool idea.
Remember your promise, Michael. Build the shelves. And don't forget a diorama for me.
So to put the shelves in here, I'm drilling holes with a 1/2-inch Forstner bit, and then I'm putting dowels in between the two. I was originally going to glue them all together, but I decided not to glue it together since I'm not sure if I want to adjust something yet or not, or possibly some point take them out. So I think they'll be plenty sturdy enough as it is, because the boards that are the shelves go from end to end. There's no room for play in there, and I mean they're 1.25 inches thick. So I do want to be able to make changes if I need to. I'm just going to leave it as it is, and if all of a sudden I feel like it's not strong enough or I need to make an adjustment or glue them in there, I will. So. I'm also making sure that I drill the holes directly on top of the shelves below, or the brackets below, so that if I do go through these shelves, it goes into that upright, which is just going to make it stronger. It's not going to do anything but connect them all together. So. Alright, here we go.
There's a saying that goes, measure twice and cut once. Well, I'm of the mind, measure once, cut once, take the piece inside, realize it's too long, bring it back outside, measure it all over again, and cut it again the second time. It's more fun that way, believe me. Hey, thanks for watching Creating Mike. Drop a comment below, let me know what kind of project you're working on, and I'll see you next time.